Well, as promised, Fresh Bake, we're in Adventureland. We're about ready to go into Tropical Hideaway to try out another new item. This time it's the Loco Moco Bao. It's replaced the Beef Bao, which is good news for me because I was not a fan of that dish, and I'm glad that we're going to get something new to try out in there. So let's head into Tropical Hideaway and try out a new dish and maybe meet a friend or two. All right, halfway through, and I have to say, I'm impressed. Or surprised, I should say. At least surprised, maybe not impressed, because I was put off the Loco Moco that I had at Food and Wine. It didn't have gravy; it was barbecue sauce, which ruined everything, I think. But this actually works quite well with the bao. You've also got the spiced ham in there, or the spam. The gravy is really nice. This actually, I have to say, that this would pair very well, and I think, Dylan, you did the right thing by getting a sweet lumpia with it. Get something sweet with this because it's very savory. This is, even though the bao kind of sets it off, the bun does a little bit. I think it works really well with something sweet like that as well. And it looks like I've ran into a little guest commentator on our review today. This is Dylan from Theme Park Obsessions, who you guys have probably seen on our show many times by now. Dylan is trying out for the first time the Loco Moco Bao, which I already forgot, and he got the sweet lumpia. You haven't tried that yet, have you?
No, like I said, we need to do a lot of catching up today, so there's so much food I need to try.
Well, what did you think of the bao?
I liked it. It was savory, sweet, and the meat in there is cooked really well. I'm a fan of Spam, so I didn't mind this at all. It was actually really good.
Spam is underrated.
I think so. I think
it really is underrated. Okay, good. Well, Fresh Bake, there you go. Like I said, I'm a little bit surprised that I enjoyed it as much as I did, considering the history that I had with the bao. But maybe they had nowhere to go but up, so that's good news. Thanks guys for checking this out. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned. We got another one of these coming with the PB&J slush over at Maurice's Treats, and we'll also be joined by Dylan for that one. So thanks again for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time. Fresh Bake.